Hello friends! Welcome to Blueprint Studio. In today's video, we'll be taking a close look at the design for our new house, situated on a 20 by 40 feet plot. The client has requested a modern and contemporary exterior design that will truly stand out in their local neighborhood, and we deliver exactly that. Let's explore its unique features together. The front elevation boasts a modern minimalist design, enhanced by the use of industrial modern materials that ignite the design's aesthetics. Upon entering through the main gate, you'll find a spacious car parking area capable of accommodating a small-sized car, with a small patio area situated on the left side. Passing through the main gate, you'll find the heart of our home, a combined drawing and living area seamlessly integrated with the dining space. It's the perfect spot to gather with friends and family. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. The dining area is centrally located near the kitchen and toilet, making it easily accessible from both spaces. The kitchen is fully furnished with sleek modular cabinets and state-of-the-art amenities, adding both functionality and style to the space, while harmonizing seamlessly with the overall interior design theme. On the ground floor, there's a luxuriously furnished master bedroom complete with a wardrobe and a TV unit. Additionally, there's a conveniently located common toilet adjacent to the bedroom. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. Let's take a closer look at the layout of the first floor, where you'll find two bedrooms arranged alongside a cozy lounge area. Let's explore the first bedroom on the first floor, which is not only fully furnished but also exudes a welcoming ambiance, providing a comfortable retreat within the home. Now, let's take a closer look at the common toilet area on the first floor, featuring a compact wash basin complete with a mirror, a Western-style toilet, and a designated shower area. The second bedroom is likewise fully furnished and features French sliding windows at the front, allowing ample natural sunlight to brighten the space. The second floor layout maintains consistency with the first floor, offering 2 spacious master bedrooms along with a quaint family lounge area. This design ensures continuity and harmony throughout the entire living space. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on house designs. Thank you.